Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having an amazing day wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This reading is not your personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for a star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. The energy of this reading could be reversal. For some of you guys, it could not be your story. And it could not be your energy. So please use your own discernment, okay? Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. What is going on with my fellow Scorpio? I hope you're doing well today with your family and loved ones, wherever you are in the world. Let me see your energy in this reading. First, we have the Two of Swords. This is an air sign energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You could be dealing or attracting an air sign for some of you. Of course, not all of you. Could also be any other sign. Somebody here is confused. Somebody here needs to make an important decision in their lives. Either you or the person you are dealing with. It could also be that somebody here engaged you to a third party situation. It could also be that this person didn't choose you in the past. They chose the other one. I don't know who is this person. And that this person now is confused because they realize that they choose the wrong one. It could also be that this person wants to block your third eye chakra because they wants to confuse you. Because they doesn't want you to listen to your intuition. This is like a manipulation, gaslight. It could also be that these are the couple who tried to block your third eye chakra. This is your vision. In order for you not to see the truth. In order for you to confuse. It could also be that somebody has already committed to somebody else when they're going to meet you. This person wants to engage you to a third party situation. If this is a new person. It could also be that this person couldn't confuse you because for most of you guys, you are one of the most intuitive sign in the zodiac. Now they are confused. If this is your energy, the universe advises you to liberate your thoughts. The truth is you are not confused. This is only the conflict between your mind and your heart. And you have always an infinite potential to eradicate this negative mindset. It could also that there are people who tried to confuse you. You are advised to meditate and to connect to the Mother Earth, to find a sacred space in order for you to know why you are confused. It could also that you are confused. This is related to a relationship, your work, and your family situationship. You could also be dealing with a couple or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. If this is a new person, this person is confused because they couldn't figure you out. Because you are mysterious. Let me see. Your challenge here is, this is the Knight of Swords. Oh my gosh. Somebody here is raging to communicate with you. This person couldn't wait to talk with you. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. For some of you guys, I feel like you are going to receive the truth. This is related to maybe a decision in the court. if you have problems in the court, you are going to receive a message from the court. This is the truth. I don't know which is your energy here, because if you are doing good, this is your energy. If you are on the right path, I mean, the truth will set you free, because you are going to receive a communication, a message. If you have problem in the court, this is the truth. This is a fast movement, a quick communication, or this person is raging to communicate with you because they wants to argue with you. This person could be a reckless, impulsive, immature person. Could also that this is your ex or the past people. Could also that this person is raging to communicate with you because they wants to tell you the truth, because they are tired of confusion. Somebody here is confused, either you or the person you are dealing with. They wants to communicate with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. They are confused why you are no longer communicating with them anymore, or why you are not communicating with people. Because for some of you guys, you are tired and sick with the BS of people, their manipulation, their trickery and lies. And that's why somebody here is raging to communicate with you. Could also that this person wants to argue or to fight with you, or this person wants to win over you. Remember, somebody here is engaging you to a third party situation. It could also be that they couldn't take it anymore. They wants to tell you the truth. If this is a new person, they wants to express what they have feel on you. That's why they are raging to communicate with you. But there is a confusion here. I don't know which is your energy here, because the energy of this reading could be reversal. Either you or the person you are dealing with. And this is your challenge, a communication. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, an Aquarius, a Libra, or Gemini is going to challenge you, not necessary. Could also be any other sign. We have here the Three of Wands. This is your spiritual lesson. You could be dealing or attracting a fire sign for some of you. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Or you have a fire sign and an air sign in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. Could also that you are dealing with a group of 3 people or a group of 2 people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 222, number 333. Number 2 could also be the alignment of your purpose. This could also be related to your soulmate, twin flame journey. This could also be related to a relationship, partnership. The ship, your ship is coming. And for some of you guys, this is, you realize to get out from your comfort zone, because you knew that you can create something, especially if you are going to use your passion, because you are very passionate and driven. It could also be that there is a travel involved here. If you are not going to travel, just leave this energy, because in my last video, somebody said, I will not travel. Oh, please don't say that. I never say that this is your personal reading. This is a general and timeless energy reading. If this is not your energy, just leave it, okay? There could be a travels involved here, either you or the person you are dealing with. Somebody here come to a realization that they chose the wrong one. In the past, they are not reciprocating your value. They are not seeing the truth of who you are. That's why they engage you to a third party situation. Now they realize that the grass aren't greener on the other pasture, but the grasses are greener on your side. And that's why this person is going to travel towards on you. They are raging to communicate with you because they are confused. Because they put they put you in a confusion, blah blah. I want to speak Deutsch. Back to your reading. Now they are the one who is confused. And I feel like for some of you, this person or group of people, the power of 3, the power of 2, didn't reciprocated your value. Now they want to approach you because they have seen your opportunities. They could be an opportunistic people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 333. You could be born on the 3rd of the month and the 2nd of the month. Or this is the person you are dealing with. Could be 32 years old, 22 years old. 2332 is significant in this reading. Others of you guys, you have learned your lesson from this person. Could be a fire sign or an air sign. Let me see. This is also your lucky breaks because you've come to realization. You have an assured success here and you want to continue what you have started. Congratulations. Let me see. The past situation is the Four of Pentacles. You could be dealing with a group of 4 people. This could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 444. Please pay attention. You could be born on the 4th of the month, or you are dealing with a person who is 44 years old, or this is your age. I don't know what this is all about. For some of you, this is related to your solid foundation, your stability. Could also be that this person viewed you as territorial. Somebody here in the past wants to control you, especially your financial matters. Now you are holding back. You are no longer supporting them anymore because you realize that balance is the key. You are prioritizing your accounts payable and accounts receivable. You are no longer generous to them. You are tired of supporting them. It could also be that they use and abuse you a minimum of 4 years, 4 months, 4 weeks. I don't know. Could also be a group of 4 people, the power of 4, the power of 3, the power of 2. An air sign, a fire sign, and an earth sign involved in the situation. And this is the past situation because they failed to control you. They viewed you as stingy, selfish, that you are not, generous to them because you have learned your lesson and you don't care. Because somebody here is territorial. It could also that this is a new person and they viewed you as territorial, that you are holding back, that you are not open with a new situation, relationship. Somebody here wants to invest you, but they viewed you that you are holding back, or somebody is holding back with you and they couldn't let you go. A group of 4 people in the past, a group of 3 people, and a group of 2 people. An earth sign or an air sign, an earth sign, fire sign, and an air sign involved here. Let me see. Your present energy is the High Priestess. I told you. You can perceive their lies. This is your present energy. You could be dealing or attracting a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart, a Cancer, or a fellow Scorpio. For some of you guys, it could also be that the secret of this person or group of people who are collaborating against you, the power of 2, the power of 3, the power of 4, are now exposed or is going to expose. These are the shady things they hide from you in the dark. It includes trickery, lies, and manipulation, black magic, witchcraft, voodoo. For whatever reason, because of jealousy and envy. For some of these people, guys, they are spiritual haters. They doesn't want you to continue your work to know the truth. Others of you guys, it could also be that this person is scared because there could be an exposure of all the things they have done on you in the dark. Somebody here is insecure. Somebody here is having fear to tell you the truth, to express their feelings. For some of you guys, there could be a vagueness here. They viewed you as mysterious. They viewed you as you keep secret. But the truth is they are the one who keeps secrets. It could also be that this person's black magic backfires on them. A group of 3, a group of 4, a group of 2. And now, this is released because 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 2 is 9. This is over. They are collaborating against you. Can you imagine how powerful you are? I never said all people collaborating against you. I said the power of 2, the power of 3, the power of 4. Others of you, it could also be that this person or group of people are gossiping on you and they said it was you who did black magic. It was you who is the devil. Because you could be dealing with a person who is manipulative, narcissist, and toxic. And this is the behavior of a narcissist. They can twist the story very fast. They will play like a victim. And they will push you that the story that it was the Scorpio who are an evil because they are now sufferings. They are confused. That's why they are in the crossroads. You look, this is your first card, right? I told you. They believe that they can keep the secrets, but no. They couldn't keep the secret because the truth always comes to light in the end. I don't know what they have done on you. What they have done on you. I couldn't talk. Oh my God. Somebody doesn't want me to speak out. That there is a blockage in my truth. Let me see. The future is, this is the Eight of Cups. This is your energy. You walk away from a certain situation. You move on and learn to love yourself unconditionally. Because this person, a group of people, aren't reciprocated your value, your support, and your love. For some of you guys, you've done your best. And now that you move on, you walk away, or you are advised to move on, to walk away. Because this is the future energy. You don't have to engage with this person or group of people. Because it will cost you too much energy. They are the energy draining vampires. That's all they can do because they want to lower your vibes. They want you to be like them. And that's why all they can do is to create black magic to confuse you. And in the end, they are the one who is confused. I told you. You are advised to move on, to walk away because this is the future. Or they want to block your third eye chakra. They did cast spells on you because they want you to walk away from your work. I don't know what is the nature of your work. They want you to walk away, to stop with your work. Be very mindful of some people nowadays. Whoever you are, shame on you. I will send the negative energy to return back to sender. Could also that they are engaging you to a practitioner at this moment, black magic, because they want you to walk away from telling the truth. They want to confuse you. Your first card is confusion. You look, because they are confused. Now they engage you to a practitioner because they want you to walk away. Not to stop telling the truth or to stop fighting because they want to win over you. Remember that. Their mission, vision, and goal is to confuse you. That you are not enough, Scorpio. You are enough. Don't let them confuse you because they are all jealous. They are the monitoring spirits of the darkness in order to confuse your mind. For some of these people, guys, they engage you to practitioner. They will pay money. Can you imagine? Whoever you are, shame on you. Go and heal yourself. They are wasting their time focusing on your life instead of focusing themselves. No wonder that they are envy and jealous on you. Because they want you to walk away. This is the future. Walk away from your work. Walk away from telling the truth. Because they want to win. Whoever you are, good luck. Because number 8 is your 8th house. What goes around comes back around. They couldn't keep you to tell the truth. Because for some of you guys, this is your birthright. And whatever they have done on you, it backfires on them. Because number 8 is what goes around comes back around. Good luck whoever you are and shame on you. A group of 8 people. This is your abundance. They doesn't want you to continue your work. They want you to walk away from your abundance. And then they can they can laugh at you. Don't let them laugh at you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because these are the people who are desperate, whose life are falling apart. That's why they want to confuse you by all means. They tried to throw you under the bus. This is not literally, this is metaphorically. Remember, they tried to block you. They are now engaging you to, I don't understand with this person, a group of people so hateful and jealous. You know why? Because they triggered with your lights. You could be an earth angel, spiritual warrior, or a chosen one. And these are the people who are your mission to awaken them. And that's why they always pushing your buttons. Because they are triggered with the truth that you can perceive their demons. You look, and that's why, that's all they can do. They want you to walk away, to walk from telling the truth from your work. Continue what you are doing because this is your abundance, the 8th house. You are going to reap, the rewards of your hard work. They knew as well. These people knew as well. That's why they tried everything they can do. That you are going to walk away with your work from telling the truth. I don't know what this is all about. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 888. This could also be a group of 8 people who are collaborating against you. Can you imagine how powerful you are? Don't let them confuse you because they are confused. They are confused that you found out the truth, that you knew the truth because you are the high priestess. Now they want to use another high priestess to block your spiritual crown chakra and your third eye chakra in order for you to walk away. Don't let them win. I don't think that they will win because this is the future. Number 8 is your abundance. And whatever they are planning now, it backfires on them. What goes around comes back around. Number 8. Let me see. Your attitude here is, sorry guys, I told you, he doesn't want you to succeed because you have her success and recognition. They are so hateful. Why you can perceive the truth and you leave them in confusion. You love yourself unconditionally and you have success and recognition, and that's why they are confused. That's all they can do, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You have her success and recognition. You could be dealing with a person who is attention seeker, or they are in the spotlight and they wants to have your spotlight. Could also be that they are not enough with their lights, with their limelights. They are so despicable. Sorry, I don't want to say negative words here. This is the energy of a Leo. You could be dealing or attracting a Leo, an Aries, or a Sagittarius. You know what? You are divinely guided here. The universe sent you people, a like-minded people, your soul family and soul tribes, because these are the people who wants to see you win and they wants to celebrate with you. Only 6 people who are your haters, frenemies, who are pretending to be your friends, your families, your allies, but the truth are not. But you don't care, right? Because this is your energy. There is a success and recognition here. And somebody here is so jealous and envy. That's why that's all they can do. Engaging you to a practitioner to block your crown chakra, third eye chakra, because they are confused. How did you do that, Scorpio? How? You know why? Whoever you are, I want to tell you, whatever the negative energy you send to somebody else, it will backfires on you because we are interconnectedness, especially if that person is innocent. If I were you, you better ended up this trickery, lies, and manipulation. You look, engaging you to a person in a black magic, a person who is innocent, surely it backfires on you. You are just only writing your misery, your own miserable life, whoever you are. A Leo, a Sagittarius, and an Aries is involved here. Whoever you are, shame on you. A water sign, an earth sign, and a fire sign, and an air sign. Let me see. The outside influence is, I told you, they wants to return. They have nostalgia, the 6 of Cups. Could also that this person having a childhood trauma. Could also that this is a new person and they recognize you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, and they wants to win over you. Others of you guys, it could also be that this person are in your family. You could be dealing with a group of 6 people. You look 6, the power of 6. 6 of Wands and 6 of Cups. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 666. Pay attention. For some of you, this is your celebration. And that's why they don't like it. They hate it. You look, they want you to walk away because they knew that you have a celebration and success. They tried everything. For some of these people, guys, they are pretending to go back, to apologize, to offer you a cup of love. Be very mindful from the past people. Because not all people who said, I love you, Scorpio, they meant it. For some of these people, guys, they are wearing a false mask. In your last reading, somebody wants to offer you a cup of love, but it was clarified as a snake. That's why I said be very mindful. I never said all. I know that you are one of the most intuitive sign in the zodiac. Listen to your intuition. Because somebody here is not okay. It's not, they are just returning for sabotage. I never see all. A minimum of 6 people. Normally, this is in your family. If this is a new person, they want to support you, or they want to say, Scorpio, we're going to support you. It's too late because they have seen your success and recognition. That's all they can do. Try to offer you with a cup of love. You don't need them in your life. You love yourself unconditionally because you moved on. You knew who they are because you have learned your lesson. That's why be very mindful of the past people, because this is the past people. Normally in your family, doesn't matter. Let me see. Your hopes and fears is the King of Swords. Uh-oh. No chance, because you're standing on your higher self. You knew the truth. You cut them off out of your life. And aside from that, you are not scared to cut off the ties of some people. You knew the truth. You're standing in your higher self. You showed them who are the control of your life. You said to these people, hey people, I am the control of my life, not you all. It could also be that this is the energy of Archangel Michael, because King of Swords is the energy of Archangel Michael. They are protecting and guiding you through your journey. And that's why this person, a group of people who pretend to return to support you, to apologize, they are blocked. Remember, they want you to walk away from your work, from your beliefs, from everything, because they want to confuse you, because they are confused. They're using black magic, trickery, lies, and manipulation. But you are here divinely guided and protected. Cross watchers of Scorpio. Scorpio is divinely guided and protected. Yeah, look, Archangel Michael energy. You are tired and sick with their BS. That's why you cut them off. You only accept the people who is true to you. The real deal. If this is a new person, they wants to tell you the truth. Could be an air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Could also that somebody here wants to control you. Could also that you are dealing with a person who's an authority, or you are the one who's an authority. Be very mindful, but you don't have to worry. Just continue to meditate and pray, because you are here divinely guided and protected. With the Archangel Michael, your divine ancestors and the divine spirits. Protected from these fake returnees, from the people who believe that they can bluff you, that they can still bluff you. You are not the same person before. This is over because you have seen the truth. And the outcome is, I told you, you already moved on. Whoever you are, shame on you. Scorpio already moving on. You cannot bluff, because Scorpio wants only the truth in their lives. They don't care if you're gone. If you are a liar, you already cut off. We don't need people who are returnees and pretending that they are going to support us, to love us. No, this is over. It could also be that this person couldn't believe how did you move on. Could also be a group of 6 people. I told you, 6 of swords, 6 of cups, and 6 of wands. 666 is significant number in this reading, because it doesn't want you to have success and celebration. That's all because of jealousy and envy. That's why they tried everything to block your crown chakra, your third eye chakra, because they want you to confuse, to move on. For some of these people, guys, they tried to put you in a third party situation, because this is their intention, that you are going to lower your vibes. You cannot do anything because you are tired, you are hurt. That's all they can do. And that's you move on. You realize that let bygones be bygones. Or this is the advice from the spirits guides, to move on, not to engage with a problem of this person or group of people. A minimum of 6 people. This could be an Aquarius is involved. Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. A water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. A fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Who tried to control you. They couldn't let you go. They're holding back and they viewed you that you are stingy, you are selfish. Because they couldn't manipulate you anymore. This is over. You already moved on. Oh my gosh. Shame on you, whoever you are. Go and move on yourself as well, instead of focusing the lives of other people. Why the Two of Swords in this reading? Please tell me more about the Two of Swords. That is clarified as, I told you, they are obsessed. They couldn't let you go. They're holding back, remember. The Four of Pentacles. They are obsessed on you. And this is the part of their karma. Because number 8 is what goes around, comes back around. You look. They couldn't let you go. Or there are people who are spying on you. They are confused. Especially this person who wants to engage or who engaged you to a third party situation. They are still in your energy. They couldn't let you go. And this is the part of their karma. Because they wants to confuse you. Number 8 is what goes around, comes back around. They wants to confuse a high priestess. Shame on you, whoever you are. Clarify me, Father. Why the high priestess in this reading? Please tell me more about the high priestess here, please. It is clarified as shallow, hollow, empty, and boredom. I told you. That's why they couldn't believe. How did you know? Somebody is feeling bored. Somebody has life is empty without you. Because this is the part of their karma. Trying to block your crown chakra, your third eye chakra, and it backfires on them. How could you block the third eye chakra and crown chakra of somebody else if this is their birthright? The Divine Most High give this gift to you, and this person, a group of people, are only jealous and envy. That's why. They are shallow, hollow, empty, and boredom because you expose the truth, or the truth exposed here. Whoever you are, shame on you. A Pisces is involved here. Clarify me, Father. Why the... Oh my gosh. What a Six of Wands in this reading? Please tell me more about the Six of Wands, sir, please. It is clarified as betterness. I told you. This could be a Leo. So better, angry, and I don't know. You look, because you have success and recognition. Could also say that the other thing when a person is in the public eye and they are better because you are being recognized of who you are. I don't know what is the nature of your job. You look, because they couldn't block your third eye chakra, they couldn't block your crown chakra because this is your birthright. Could also be that because of jealousy and envy, a group of 6 people doesn't want you to succeed. They hate it that you are being recognized. Whoever you are, shame on you. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I don't know. I couldn't talk. A fire sign is involved here. Leo, Aries, and Sagittarius. What a Six of Cups in this reading, please? It is clarified as confusion. I told you, they are confused without end. And that's why they want to return to apologize. Be very mindful because for some of these people, guys, they are fake. They only want to have access in your life, especially the past people, because they are confused. They want to return because they want to confuse you because they are confused. Good luck, whoever you are. Scorpio is divinely guided with Archangel Michael. What a King of Swords in this reading, please? What a King of Swords, please tell me more. It is clarified as rejection. Of course, because they are lying on you. Rejection is real. You knew the truth. You are in this energy of King of Swords. You can perceive their vibes. And that's why they are feeling rejected by you. Oh my gosh. They couldn't love you anymore. This is over. You already moved on. The Six of Swords. Why the Knight of Swords here, please? Who is this Knight? It's clarified as withdrawn. You prefer to be alone than to be with this person. Could be an Aquarius. The Knight of Swords. This is a reckless, impulsive person. You give this person a silent treatment. This is over. because of their BS, because of their manipulative behavior. Clarify me, Father, why the Six of Swords in this reading? It is clarified as beauty, charming. They realize who you are. They have seen the truth of who you are, but it's over. Yeah, look, you already moved on. Goodbye, my love, goodbye. Sometimes people will see your value only when it's too late. Sometimes people will see the truth and will appreciate your value only when it's too late. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.